Flanders Make is the strategic research center for the manufacturing industry.
We look at industrial problems and we analyze them, break them down into engineering practices. We really offer the end-to-end chain from software engineering and modeling all the way into product validation, product testing to help the industry.
One of the key research domains Flanders Make manages in AACOMA, a European research program, is composite materials.
Because they offer great stiffness for a low weight ratio. This makes a lot of applications very interesting. Think about fuel efficiency in industries like automotive and aerospace.
After often starting on paper, designs are quickly transformed into computer models.
What we are doing specifically in Flanders Make is try to develop simplified modelings thanks to optimization techniques, and with that getting results in a much lower time frame that are accurate and that can be applied to the full-scale model. For a single joint application, we can reduce the simulation time from 15 minutes to 15 seconds with our methods and our optimization algorithms.
Once a composite part is in production, handling it can prove quite challenging.
Machining composites is a complex process. Because of the nature of composite panels themselves, they are formed by fibers that can easily delaminate.
Delamination is a serious threat to quality in the aerospace industry, where large panels need to be joined together.
We are speaking here about panels that can go in the order of magnitudes of 20 meters long and with 5 millimeter thickness, very thin. Machining this kind of composite panels is very complex because they need to be stabilized.
Currently, this requires large and costly fixtures. Flanders Make has patented a handy add-on solution called Smart Clamp.
The results we achieve with Smart Clamp is reduction of delamination. In some applications we reach more than 70% improvement in quality.
Another way of joining composite parts is by using adhesives. Due to their interesting properties, they're able to withstand vibrations and completely seal the assembly.
And this is where we come in as joining a materials lab. So in our lab we have all the necessary testing facilities to map the right process parameters for the adhesive bonding process. We have a climate room where we can control the temperature and humidity conditions, and we can test and manipulate parts that are as large as 1.5 meters in size.
Extensive research enables the Joining and Materials Lab to vastly accelerate the curing and bonding process, among other things.
We try to make them debondable by not changing much of the chemistry of the adhesive, but just changing the process parameters and try to have special particles or additives inside the adhesive so that we can debond it with external stimuli like electricity, for example, or magnetic fields.
Ranging from virtual product optimization, from various assembly mechanisms to full product testing, Flanders Make offers a broad set of innovative facilities and competencies to boost applications with composite materials.
So if companies have a question about composite materials or need expertise, they can always go to our website, flandersmake.be, for more information.